In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your timesheets effectively using QuickBooks Online. Understanding how to accurately track and report your time is critical for efficient project management and billing. Whether you're sorting through hours for payroll or billing clients, QuickBooks makes it straightforward once you get the hang of it. First things first, you're going to need to log into QuickBooks Online, so open your Chrome browser. It's a reliable option for QuickBooks. Head over to qbo.intuit.com. Once there, simply enter your email and password to gain access to the platform. If you're not already set up, it's just a matter of following the prompts like any other account. With access granted, it's time to navigate to the timesheet section. On the left-hand menu, you'll see a plus new button. A click on that will reveal more options. Under the Employees heading, you'll choose between single time activity or weekly timesheet depending on how you'd like to track your time. Now, let's talk about filling out that timesheet. If you go with single time activity, start by selecting the employee or contractor whose time you want to log. Next, choose the appropriate date of work. The customer project field allows you to assign this time to a specific client or project, though this part is optional. You're going to need to select the service or product worked on, a straightforward pick from your list of offerings. If you're billing the client, mark the entry as billable, then simply enter the hours and minutes worked. Don't forget, adding a description or notes can greatly enhance clarity for later reference, so use that description field if needed. On the other hand, if you're opting for a weekly timesheet, you'd start by selecting the employee and the week they worked. From there, it's just a matter of filling in the daily hours for each customer or project worked on during that week, and again, make sure to mark those hours as billable if they apply. Once you've filled out the details, you'll need to save your work. Here you have two options. Click Save and Close if you're done, or Save and New if you have another timesheet to enter. These choices help streamline your workflow, keeping it organized and efficient. Before you close out, however, a review and approval step is crucial. Head over to the Report section. You'll want the Time Activities by Employee/Project report to review all logged hours. Carefully go through and verify or edit entries as needed to ensure everything is accurate before invoicing or running payroll. Accuracy here will save lots of time and prevent errors down the road. And there you have it, an effective and straightforward way to manage your timesheets in QuickBooks Online. Thanks for watching, and soon you'll be navigating this process like a pro.